Do you want to play a game? What's that? Moo. I mean, you do it. Snapped it in my face. Moo. I'm not ridiculous. Ivy. Ivy, I'm sorry. I won't make raspberry noises. Ivy, where have you gone? You poor bear. Ivy, is that because I made a fart noise? Alright, I won't do it now. No more farts. Moo. Abby. Oh, Papa. Okay. Can you move? Oh. You can nibble on his finger very gently. Oh, kisses. I'm going to open a present, Ivy. These are from Doreen, Ivy. Very lucky girl. Do you want any help? Oh, what is it? What is that? Oh, Ivy, what have you got? What's this? Oh, and some yummy treats. Well done. What's in there? Yeah, pull that. Well done. Some treats. No way. I think they might be for me. Oh, wow. Bliss whip bars. They sound really cool. Thank you, Doreen. Don't try to lift one, Ivy. What's that? Pick it up. Pick it up. Good girl. Reindeer's on. Just realised I've put them on her. What's this? Ivy, what's that? You stand up? Stand up, Ivy? Ivy, you gonna stand up in your socks?